We had another fire alarm, you know, right the night that we have the COVID-19 telling everybody to stay away, socially distance. My apartment complex gets a fire alarm, which means you got to go down the stairs. I could get Ferdi in this, but Ferdi and Elista can't be in the same one. They can't be in the same one. And Elista, I couldn't get her. She was in the closet, but I couldn't get her. So I got Ferdi. And it didn't smell like smoke, knock on wood. The fire truck's here now. So I don't know what's going on. They're gonna check the building. I'm pretty stressed. I had just taken an Ativan. I have them, like I can take them a few times a month for social anxiety. I only have like a few left. Takes me like 6 months to use the bottle. But yeah, so I guess it's good I took one before this, you know. Sorry if I'm a little jittered because of everything. Ferdi's being pretty quiet. He's scared. And Elista's gonna be really, really scared. But again, like the last time, I could get Ferdi and I couldn't get her. I have no idea. No idea what's going on. Looks like they're gonna try to open it, and if they can't, they're gonna break it. Ferdi, you okay, buddy? Ferdi, are you okay? I'm sorry, but you at least let me get you and put you in this. Elista wouldn't let me get her. I'm trying to not touch the railings as I went down, which is pretty hard. Now I'm trying to not touch my face since they've, you know, got us concerned about this stuff, and then this has to happen. I mean, this is pretty commonplace, huh, Ferdi? It's a life of living in Houston. Ferdi, you okay, buddy? I can't hardly see him there. Are you okay, buddy? Ferdi, are you okay? Huh? Ferdi, Ferdi, buddy. Are you okay, buddy? At least it's not raining. It looks like it rained earlier. Ferdi boy, are you okay? All right, I'm gonna stop it. Ferdi seems okay. He was pretty upset earlier, but now that he's not moving and he's just getting to sit, and it was way louder inside, so it's a little bit better than it was. So hopefully I'll have another video when I get back, hopefully once they let us go back up.